Hello everybody, on today's video we're going to show you how to set up the VEMDIA 12.8 volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. This battery has a built-in 100 amp Smart BMS and delivers up to 1,280 watt hours of power. It is designed for RVs, marine applications, solar system, camping, backup power, and more, while providing up to 15,000 deep cycles for long-lasting performance. First up though, we're going to go ahead and simply install the decals by carefully aligning each sticker on both sides of the battery. Press firmly across the entire surface to ensure a clean, bubble-free application and give the battery a nice finished professional look. Take a look at it here. This thing looks amazing. Next up, we're going to go ahead and install the battery posts. Insert the supply terminal bolts into the positive and negative terminals and tighten them securely with just your standard screwdriver. Make sure the posts are firmly attached to avoid over tightening. You can have these done in just a matter of seconds. Next up, now let's go ahead and charge the battery. We're going to connect our compatible lithium iron phosphate battery charger to the positive and negative terminals, then plug the charger into a power source. The built-in Smart BMS system helps protect the battery during charging by monitoring the voltage, the current, and the overall battery health. After charging, let's verify the voltage using a digital multimeter. A fully charged lithium iron phosphate battery should typically read about 13.4 to 13.6 volts, confirming the battery is ready to use, and ours is. Overall, that was how to set up the VEMDIA 12.8 volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. This thing offers reliable power, advanced protective, and impressive cell cycle. Thanks for watching.